hitting the gym, right? And you're lifting heavy, but your muscles aren't growing. Well, that's what this video is about, okay? It turns out that it's not more reps. It's about smarter recovery, fuel, and flow, okay? So I have a video that I found from Dr. Berg about 4 surprising science-backed ways to actually build muscle faster without wasting time or burning out. And the reason why I want to create this video is because I had to go back to the gym after taking a little time off from hurting my sciatic nerve. And I realized that I lost a little bit of muscle, so I wanted to gain my muscles back. And I got them pretty quick. They grew back pretty quick based on how your muscles can recover. But I also started taking creatine. So I don't know, you might want to check into creatine. I haven't heard anything bad about it yet. So yet is the key word though. So 4 surprising keys, right? Well, he mentions that one of them is sleep. Okay, sleep is important, you guys. Sometimes we don't get enough sleep. I don't know what to say. You got to go to bed early. Stop drinking so much coffee. I don't know what to say, but you got to get that sleep, okay? Because that's how you recover. Muscle isn't built in the gym, right? It's built at night. He also says that avoid frequent eating, constant snacking spikes insulin and slows growth, okay? So last night I had an apple late. I've been feeling it all day today. I should have done it. I should have not eaten anything at night, right? So when you at night, it's good probably just to not eat anything and to sleep. Those are 2 things. So now you're going to get your muscles more lean. You're going to be able to build the muscles because you're sleeping. And so the next one he said is don't overtrain. More is not more. And a lot of people do this, right? Training every day can stall recovery. So if I hit my chest and my triceps and my shoulders, I'll do that, and then I won't do that the next day, okay? And then the next day, maybe I'll do biceps, and then I'll do back, okay? And legs or something, right? And then maybe the 3rd day, I'll just take that day off I'll walk the dog only, you know, because I walk the dog every day no matter what. Walking's not the same. He's not talking about walking. He's talking about building muscle, right? So, yeah, make sure you give yourself time to recover, especially as you get older. Fix your liver, okay? That's big, okay? Detox. So that's another thing. If you don't eat at night, you're going to be fasting more. You're going to be detoxing more, right? And that's how you can, you know, have better hormone balance and bigger gains. When you sleep, you have this stuff called HGH that's released, human growth hormone, right? And that helps with muscle repair. When you fast, okay, it lowers insulin and increases more growth hormone. And in your liver health, okay, based on, well, you know, you're going to optimize your testosterone plus protein synthesis. And then basically you're going to be building muscle from inside out. So the couple things is that on this channel I have free workouts and free food plans that you can download and you can follow, so you can kind of start working on building muscle and stuff, or losing the weight that you need to lose. But also it can help you detox, because I have a smoothie recipe and I have the intermittent fasting that helps you detox. But be careful, because when you detox, you're not going to feel great. You're going to feel like you got the flu or something a lot of times. Like when I did it, I remember my back was hurting because your lungs are detoxing and you can feel the pressure back there. If you go through a detox, remember, you guys, you're probably going to feel sick for a little bit. When you go to the bathroom, it's not going to be the greatest and all that stuff. But I only had to do that once, years ago. I haven't had to do it since. So basically, besides that, overtraining, I've done that. As an older guy now, I hurt myself all the time when I overtrain, so I got to be careful and methodical, right? But I do want to keep my size, and I don't want to, you know, gain weight, you know, so I have to make sure I am exercising every day, no matter what, right? So make sure you do. That's why I do my fasting. and that's where I get my sleep. When I started doing that, started intermittent fasting, right? Like I said, I have it all on here. You can just follow it. I literally, the weight came off that I couldn't get off for all those years, right? My muscles, you can see them more because now the weight was off, right? And my energy was up. So that's, if you want those three things, you might want to, start, exercising, building muscle, strength training, right? So a couple bullet points to consider, right, would be lift, then rest like it's your job, okay? Ditch constant snacks. Try fasting, okay? If you're going to snack, make sure it's in the daytime between your meals and not after or before. Track your sleep, so you can prioritize your recovery. That's going to be very important. Find a way to make yourself sleep, you guys. I know it's hard. I'm not saying take supplements. I'm saying you can find a way. You can do it. Maybe exercise more at night. Then you're going to be more tired, right? Get off the screen. And love your liver, right? So eat healthy. Like I said, I have food plans on here you can follow that will help you clean your system, right? Because your liver is your hormone headquarters. If you want better gains without burning out, right? Try these hacks, right? For the next 14 days. Tell me what changed. Leave a message in the comment. And then I do motivational videos every day, and I do these videos twice a week. So if you like it, subscribe, hit the bell so that way you can get the notifications, and then that way you can see my motivational videos every day, right? And then let's train smarter, not just harder. And remember, on this channel, you have called Your Blueprint for Weight Loss and Exercise Success. You can watch all the videos. It's just a playlist, and then you can download all the documents, and you can do your own recovery. You can do your own strength, train your muscle building, and all that stuff. So have a great day.